Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Our tutorial today is how to trace someone's, maybe someone is calling you, sending you a text message. As soon as you have his phone number, you can trace that person using a simple tutorial. In this tutorial today, I will show you how to do that step by step. Before we go further, I would like you to subscribe this channel and you touch the bell button to turn on the notification for my upcoming hot tutorials. Let us go. You firstly go to the Chrome browser and you type a website we call uh, graph graphy.link. So you just type on graphy.link. I wait for the link to open. You scroll down there, you come to here where you see enter a valid URL or tracing. So just don't worry with that. You just find something to write there just to create a link in which we will use the link to trace the person. So you just type maybe Agaja TV like this. So you create a URL. So you agree and create URL. So as you can see here, we have successfully created the URL. So what do you just do now is to just copy the URL. So we copy the URL. So from there we have done with these steps. So maybe you want to send a code to the person, maybe via SMS or via a WhatsApp. So let us use WhatsApp to send the message to the person that is disturbing, or you want to maybe you want to trace the person like this. So you paste the link and send it to the person. So you wait for the time that you are sure that yes, the person has really uh, type on the link, or you should use a word that will attract the person to really press on the link. So here, because we are making a this tutorial, let me press the link by myself so that we will find what do we want. So as you can see, I just type on it. So we just go back to the Chrome. So here, either you refresh the page or you create a new tab. So here, let us refresh the page. So we have successfully generated the IP address of the person. As you can see, the date, the country, the user agent, and whatever. But our main important thing here is the IP address. So we copy the IP address. So we open a new tab here. We search for IP tracker. So we type on this first result because it is based among of my investigation. So you scroll down there, you scroll down till you reach here where you have seen a sample of IP. here. So uh, you paste the IP that we have just, and type on trace IP with IP tracker. You wait for that to open. So after that, you scroll down for the result. So as you can see here, uh, the geolocation finder on IP map has cycled my own location. If you consume it like this, you can trace the line and the street, the house, and wherever of the location of the person. So as you can see, we have created a link. We use the link to get the IP of the person. We have get the IP of the person. We use IP to find the location of the person. So if you like, you can even open a strip map like this. You can open a street map. uh, Using this street map, you can find everything related to the person. As you can see here, everything is shown on. If you know how to use the map, you are able to find the map of the person using this website. So here, as you can see, the continent, the capital, the state, the type of network I'm using, and whatever information is were brought by the website, and even more than that. So using this trick and the tutorial, you can use it to find the IP address of the person, and whosoever maybe is anonymous, is calling you, is disturbing you, or he commit a crime, you want to know where the person is. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and after subscription, you touch the bell button for the notification of my upcoming hot tutorials. Thank you.